Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will prepare coconut rice with leftover rice. In a pan, heat oil, add 1 spoon urad dal, half spoon chana dal, slightly fry, then add cumin seed, mustard, fry till dal becomes brown, then add peanuts and cashew nut, slightly fry, then add chopped ginger, thinly sliced 2 green chilies, curry leaves and fry. Add salt, then add grated fresh coconut. Fry for 2 minutes. Lastly, add rice and mix all together for 2 minutes. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Very tasty and easy coconut rice is ready now. Serve hot and enjoy. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.